18 viral gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. Technology is being enhanced rapidly, and there is one gadget or another to accomplish every task, but it is also critical to stay relevant in this fast-pacing world by closely connecting with technology. Worldwide Tech Team has created and curated a list of 18 tech gadgets that will make your surroundings smarter and your lives easier. In today's video, we will check out some viral tech gadgets available on Amazon. But firstly, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's learn about some mind-boggling tech gadgets that will help you stay one step ahead of everyone else. Number 1. The Theragun Mini Massage Gun. The Theragun Mini is for all those massage lovers out there. Its QX65 with Quiet Force technology delivers quieter massages than regular massage devices. The ergonomic multi-grip offers a comfortable grip to the gun, avoiding strain. The 4th generation battery, made up of lithium-ion, lasts up to 2 hours. It has 3 different types of frequencies to deliver the desired therapeutic experience. The massage gun can be operated by pairing it with a smartphone app via Bluetooth, and it's available on Amazon Shopping at $179. Number 2. Soma Brew Coffee. With a capacity of 12 ounces, the Soma Brew bottle offers you the perfect drinking experience in just a snap. It's made of a stainless steel material with borosilicate glass and is made of BPA-free material. The double glass wall will help you pour over a hot beverage or brew a cold one. The Soma Brew bottle weighs around 150 grams, thus making it ideal for traveling or any adventures. Number 3. The Flickerfire Personal Fireplace. Even though the thought of carrying a personal fireplace on a chilly winter night makes us warm, the Flickerfire operates on 5 ounces of isopropyl alcohol, and this original fireplace adds a natural fire element to the aura. The smart gadget is well ventilated with a burning capacity of for up to 1 hour. It does not release carbon monoxide, thus making the fireplace safe for cooking, roasting marshmallows, brewing coffee, and more. Number 4. The LARQ PureViz Water Bottle. The LARQ water bottle is equipped with PureViz technology that prevents biocontaminant inhabitation. It's the world's first self-cleaning water bottle along with a purification system. The insulated coating keeps your water hot for 12 hours or cold for up to 24. This smart water bottle made of stainless steel has a carrying capacity of 17 ounces and comes in a series of different colors. It comes with an active loop, double wall vacuum insulation, and travel-friendly sleeves. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. The 3-stage cleaning system with multi-surface rubber brushes and edge-sweeping brush helps you stay ahead of the dirt. It comes with Dirt Detect technology to adjust your cleaning habits and routine. The robot vacuum can be personalized via the iRobot OS Home app, Alexa, or even Google Assistant. It is suitable for cleaning hard floors and carpets and facilitates easy navigation under furniture and along edges. Number 6. The Boat X-Tend Talk. The Boat smartwatch facilitates Bluetooth calling, has over 60 sports modes, and comes with a built-in speaker and microphone. It's equipped with a 1.69-inch HD display and ambient sound detection. With the built-in Alexa, you can set your reminders and get answers to questions without lifting a finger. The Boat X-Tend Talk smartwatch is highly dust, sweat, and splash resistant. After a full charge of 2 hours, it has usage of up to 8 days. The exclusive smart design enables you to connect with people with geographical barriers. Number 7. The Lenovo 400 Wireless Mouse. The smart wireless mouse has a nano USB that offers a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. The battery lasts up to 12 months, and the right and left buttons have a life of 8 million clicks. It's extremely portable and convenient to use whilst traveling, weighing 65 grams or 2.29 ounces. The mouse is ambidextrous and has an ergonomic grip design that facilitates a smooth operation. Number 8. The Bodum Pour Over Coffee Maker. This coffee maker is made from stainless steel and made from a non-porous borosilicate glass. You can brew the perfect cup of coffee without using the plastic capsules or any paper filters. It doesn't absorb taste or aroma and is super easy to use. It can prepare 4 ounces of coffee in one go. The dishwasher-safe texture makes cleaning the coffee maker even simpler. With Bodum Coffee Maker, you can make rich, strong coffee in an environmentally efficient manner. Number 9. The Apple AirPods Max. These over-ear headphones provide ultra-premium quality audio. These AirPods Max provide active noise cancellation and on-head detection. They offer Bluetooth, wireless, NFC, and transparent connectivity. A Lightning USB-C cable and a smart case come along with the AirPods. Number 10. The Yeti 20-ounce Travel Mug. The Yeti 20-ounce travel mug contains stainless steel metal to prevent dents and is dishwasher safe. The vacuum insulation enables the storage of warm and cold beverages. This smart gadget is BPA free and can hold up to 1.3 pounds of liquid. Although the Stronghold lid comes with a dual slider magnet technology, it can only be used with the travel mug. Number 11. The Nebula Capsule Smart Wi-Fi Mini Projector. Nebula Mini Projector offers 4 hours of video playtime and a 360-degree speaker with great audio quality. It's a very compact device and thus making it highly portable. It provides connectivity over HDMI cables, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more, and is currently available for $300 on Amazon and provides a fantastic value for your money. Number 12. The Emanau USB Rechargeable 52 LED Lighting. This LED light has a motion sensor that gradually lights up and shuts down as someone walks towards or away from it. The Emanau LED lighting requires easy installation and can be fully charged within 3 hours. It contains 52 energy-efficient LED lights to illuminate small and larger spaces. You can stick the lights on iron objects due to the built-in magnets. The voltage is around 3.7 volts and the LEDs have a rechargeable battery of 1500 mAh. It has both a manual mode and a motion detection mode. Number 13. The Amazon Echo Dot 4th Generation. One of the members of the Amazon Echo Dot family, this Echo Dot is an intelligent speaker of the 4th generation. It comes with a clock with an LED display of the time and a snooze button at the top. The display lights also show outdoor temperature and the light sensor automatically adjusts its brightness. This Echo Dot is newly designed as a spherical speaker and can be operated from far off. Alexa understands both Hindi and English, which diversifies the user base of this gadget. Echo Dots can make your home smarter by controlling lights, geysers, electronic appliances, and more. You can binge content, listen to your favorite music, get new updates, and pay your bills without lifting a finger. Number 14. The Arcana Water Bottle with Time Marker. Next up on the list is a gadget for those who need more time to sip water in their busy schedules. The Arc water bottle comes with a time marker and is a reminder to drink water depending on your intake. It can carry 32 ounces of water and is made of BPA-free, non-toxic plastic. The Arc water bottle comes in a minimalistic and sleek design, making it ideal for usage by adults and can be easily carried anywhere from the office to a hiking trip. It comes in various materials including aluminium, glass, and stainless steel. Number 15. Twone White Cloud Magnetic Wall Key Holder. A single cloud magnetic key holder contains 3 magnets with a bearing capacity of a maximum of 220 grams. Even though there are no hooks, the keys can be safely hung without getting misplaced. The installation process is extremely easy and the cohesive backing provides a strong grip on any surface. It applies to walls like glass, metal, ceramic tiles, wood, and more. Number 16. The Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. Made with ionic technology, the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Hot Air Brush help you style salon-like hair at your own home. It's ideal for frizzy hair and makes them sleek, smooth, and shiny. The hairdryer is made from nylon material and is 13 inches long, and the tuft bristle tips are 4 inches wide. The unique oval design of the hot air brush smoothens the hair, keeping volume intact and facilitates detangling of your hair. Number 17. The Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. With Rocketbook reusable notebooks, you get 36 reusable pages where you can jot down things using Pilot Friction pens. You can easily wipe the pages and clean them for further usage. The notebooks come in different sizes and a plethora of colors. The Rocketbook app for Android and iOS can be used to manage better and customize the notebook. Take one step ahead towards saving the planet and fostering sustainable development through the Rocketbook. And finally at number 18, we have the Hatch Restore. This is a sound machine to facilitate better and faster sleep. It has customized alarm clocks, personal sleep-wake routines, bedside reading lights, etc. With Hatch Restore, you can stream content that relaxes and prepares you for sleep. You can also manage the gadget via a smartphone app and regulate your sleep cycle. With that, we come to the end of today's video, wherein we've learned a lot about multiple smart gadgets from Amazon shopping that went viral. If you've reached here, drop a comment below and give off a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.